Here's the last little bit of chapter 1. Take control over your life. Dispel the myth that your background determines your outcomes. Believe in yourself when others don't believe in you. Cease living your life according to the rules that someone else said you must abide by because of his or her inability to see their own potential for greatness. Because honestly, that's what it really comes down to when others try to limit you. If someone cannot or refuses to recognize the greatness they possess within themselves, what makes you think he or she will see the greatness within you? They're not going to. You may not have had the typical background for a particular career or endeavor, but don't let that be what stops you from pursuing what it is in your life that you want. Go get it if that's what you really want. You are fully capable of attaining any and everything you could possibly dream of, irrespective of where you came from, your family history, or even your past actions, regardless of statistics, regardless of the lies you've been telling yourself for so long, regardless of the misguided and ill-informed opinions of others, regardless of what you have or have not done up to this point in your life, you are able to do anything you set your mind to. Living your best life starts with separating yourself from anything that does not help you become better or attain more. Changing the rules on what controls you ultimately changes the rules on what you're able to control. Break free of those imaginary shackles called limitations that you've placed on your potential so long ago. Get out of your own way so that you can get where you want to go.